Cut the cable ties outside the box with scissors. Use the utility knife carefully to avoid cuts. Secure with staples. Be careful not to cut your hands. Open the package to see the products. Please check the attached list and make sure no parts or tools are missing. Okay, let's continue to remove the anti-collision foam from the vehicle. Also remove the handlebar attached to the body. First, let's take off the factory-installed clips. Make sure to keep these with screws and gaskets safe. Now fit the handlebar onto the clips. Pay attention to the direction. The screws should face forward, not toward the seat. To fit the front wheel, first remove this plastic part. It's just packaging. Flip the bike over, and you'll see a plastic card here. Go ahead and take it out. Flip the bike over, and you'll see a plastic card here. Go ahead and take it out. Quick note, the pedals are left and right specific. Don't mix them up. Just tighten the pedal screws following the marked direction. Do the same for the other side.